Hey guys, it's Davida with WTI. I really enjoy doing manicures and pedicures at home. Not only that, but just kind of keeping up with the maintenance of my nails, I find to be really important for their health. And this is one product that I don't regret getting because it's super helpful. This is the FantaSea Rubber Grip Cuticle Pusher and Spoon Nail Cleaner. So I like that this tool is multifunction. It's really nice to have a cuticle pusher because our cuticles grow really fast. When you use a cuticle pusher, it really makes such a difference in the look of your nail. When you're painting your nails, they're gonna look cleaned up, they're gonna look refined, and so I really recommend having a cuticle pusher. I also really appreciate the spoon nail cleaner part, which is great, especially I find for my toenails. Kind of gross, but things can get stuck under your toenails, dirt and all sorts of things, right? Our feet are pretty dirty. So this little tool comes in handy to kind of get to those hard to reach places to make sure your nails are super clean and there's nothing underneath your nail bed. The rubber grip makes it really easy to hold and manage, and I just like this item overall. I recommend it. I hope you enjoy it too. And that's my point of view.